Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to be talking about parallel lines. Now, it's important for you to know that parallel lines have equal gradients. This is simply because of the fact that parallel lines always face the same direction and they have the same slope. Here is a question. Find the equation of a line that contains the point 3, 1 and is parallel to the line 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Now remember, whenever you're asked to find the equation of a line, you need two things, which are a point on the line and the gradient of the line. We do have the point, and the point is 3, 1. However, we do not have the gradient, or do we? We have been given the equation of a line parallel to this line. The equation of this line is 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. We can actually find the gradient of this line by making y the subject. If we do that, then we will get the equation as y is equal to minus 2/3 of x plus 3. It's now in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So from here, we can deduce that the gradient of the line is the coefficient of x, which is minus 2/3. And since the two lines are parallel, they definitely have the same gradient. So we have the point 3, 1 on the line, and the gradient of the line is minus 2/3. So the point 3, 1 and the gradient minus 2/3 will be useful in helping us find the equation of the line. So we're going to use y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. So this means that we'll be having y minus 1 equal to minus 2/3, that's our m, of x minus 3. Now if we simplify the bracket, minus 2/3 times x, we get minus 2/3 of x, and minus 2/3 times minus 3, this gives us 2. If we take 1 to the right hand side, it will add on to 2 to make it 3. So now we'll be having the equation as y is equal to minus 2/3 of x plus 3. And that's the final answer.